Good morning, Charlotte friends. Quick update today on the potential for some snow this evening. The models have kind of gone back and forth the last couple days. I know a couple days ago it looked like we were going to get a good bit of snow, and then yesterday it didn't look like we are going to get any snow, and now the day has arrived, and it does look like we are actually going to see some snow this afternoon and this evening. So this is the absolute latest run of what's called the NAM model, and this shows you this afternoon. So this is around 1 o'clock this afternoon. If you look really closely, you'll see a few little skiffs of blue there. So don't be surprised if you see some light flurries, some very light snow, kind of mid-afternoon. You see that kind of hangs around our area through the middle afternoon. But around 4 o'clock, you start to see some snow bands forming kind of along the 85 corridor from Raleigh down to Charlotte. And if you watch this, that snow kind of expands a little bit as we head into the early evening hours. This is around 7 p.m. You can see some snow, and this looks ominous, but it really is very light precipitation. So it kind of peaks right around this hour, somewhere around 9 or 10 this evening is kind of when I think if we are going to see any bit of accumulating snow, that's when it's going to happen. And then after about 11 p.m., it kind of just moves off to our east. So this is going to be one of those events where it's actually pretty rare. The farther west and north you go, the less snow you're actually going to see. The farther east and northeast you go, the more snow you're going to see. And if you head southeast, notice along the coastal plain here, from Wilmington to Myrtle Beach down to Charleston, they're expecting quite a bit of freezing rain in this area. It's going to be very icy along the coast, which is kind of a rare event. I thought I'd show you one other thing. So this shows you 11 different models all this evening at 7 p.m. So as I move across here, you see all the different model names up here. So this just gives you an idea of what all the models are thinking. So if I just scroll across, you see this model shows it's snowing at 7 p.m., snowing, and you'll see as I move through here, there's varying degrees. So some have a wider area of snowfall. Others have less snowfall, but you can kind of see the general theme that almost all the models are showing snow for Charlotte and points east. So again, you kind of see this theme here. It's basically a line where Mecklenburg County is on the western kind of fringe of that. So again, the farther east you go and south you go, the more likely you are to see precipitation. How much are we talking? If one of these more aggressive models happens, something like this where it's more widespread, I could see us getting 1 to 2 inches of snow this evening. But it's more likely that these lighter totals will prevail, and we're going to see ½ an inch to an inch of snow, something along those lines. Which, keep in mind, the temperatures this evening are going to be, if you scroll across here, below 30 degrees. It's going to be 26, 27 degrees when the snow is falling, so it will stick to everything. And just a tiny bit of snow can make things really slick. So again, don't be surprised if you start seeing some flakes flying around this afternoon, starting probably by 4 or 5 o'clock, and then really picking up. I say really picking up, but snowing enough to start sticking to things by 7, 8 o'clock, and then dying down around 11 or 12 tonight. So be safe out there. It's going to be a cold one. It's going to be a cold weekend, so I'll see you all later.